Hello friends, we are here with a topic that the tech world eagerly awaits, the iPhone Flip. Mobile phone counterclockwise arrows button. In this video, we will share all the information we have about Apple's foldable phone and delve into the technical details. Wrench magnifying glass tilted left. Firstly, let's take a look at the uncertainties regarding the release date. Is it 2024, or perhaps 2025? There is a bit of confusion among different sources. Display analyst Ross Young believes that 2024 is a more likely release date. However, Ming-Chi Kuo's prediction for 2025 should also be considered. During this period, let's see how other brands position themselves in the race for foldable phones. Spiral calendar globe with meridians. Now, let's move on to one of the most intriguing topics, the screen details. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone Flip will have a massive 8-inch screen. However, another report claims that Apple is testing a 9-inch screen. Additionally, colored e-ink displays and self-protective features against drops are being developed. Rainbow counterclockwise arrows button. In terms of design, according to John Prosser's information, two different design prototypes are being tested. The first one is a tablet design that opens like a book, and the other is a clamshell design similar to the Galaxy Z Flip. Although a definite decision has not been made yet, Prosser's sources say that the clamshell design is more appealing. Straight ruler, triangular ruler. There are quite interesting developments in terms of durability. The phone can fold shut in the event of a fall, preventing damage to the screen. Additionally, the use of a self-healing material for the screen covering can minimize scratches and damages. Shield wrench. Regarding the price, there is no clear information, but if the iPhone Flip is a combination of a tablet and a phone, the price could exceed $2,000. However, since there is no official announcement on this matter, we should approach this information cautiously. Heavy $ thought balloon. Lastly, software and competition. We assume that the iPhone Flip will run on iOS, and we are eagerly anticipating how Apple will optimize iOS to enhance the usability of its foldable phone. Also, it's worth noting that Apple might be working on a scrollable phone. Counterclockwise arrows button rocket. If you are curious about the technical details, you can find all the information in our video. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon. Waving hand, smiling face with smiling eyes.